Hello, and welcome to a brief video that lets you know what exactly you are doing in this class, the day being 0514 Friday. Behold, choose your own adventure. Ta-da! Alright, so some of you are already familiar with this from last class, but this is where you're done with the essay, it's over. I have a congratulations slide in a second. You got the hardest part of 10th grade over with, and now you're switching gears into your last unit ever of 10th grade, which is reading a book of your choosing, and by the end, you'll have like a short creative response to it. And where's the congratulations? You did it. If you had an extension, your extension's now over. You handed in your essay. The stress is over, and now we're going to have a nice time choosing your own adventure. And now here's your plan. Here's your plan, the journal entry. And then the rest is the journal entry happens, and then basically the rest of class becomes you reading. And as you read, you have two things to do. One, you're going to try to find 5 vocab words and put them on your vocab bookmark. And then 2, you're going to jot down who the characters are that you're meeting as you jump into your book. And then the journal entry is kind of like a 2-part thing. I'll show you in a second, but the journal entry sets you up. And the last part of class is you trying your hand at a short creative writing exercise connected to your journal. All right, so let me walk you through all the stuff that you need, just so you're clear on what you do. So, for the journal, ta-da! So, you need 2 things for this. 1, dice. 2, the prompt thing. So, all that your journal entry is you rolling the dice 5 times. You're rolling for who the protagonist is. You're rolling for who your other character is. You're rolling for setting, obstacle, and goal. And then, for instance, you're going to roll 2 dice. I rolled a 9. And so then, according to this, I'm going to be 9 a banker. Then I do it again and again and again. And then all the journal entry is you going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and telling me what did you roll. So you roll a banker, you roll a dragon, you roll a PTA meeting. Tell me what you rolled. And that's it for the journal. We're coming back to that later. You can already get the idea. This will be a creative writing prompt related to what you rolled. So that's the journal. Straightforward enough. Then you're going to switch into writing mode. So this is where a little instruction is required. So if you're online only, you need this thing, Virtual Classwork Hub. And this will be everything that you do for this entire unit is on here. It's a Google slide that you make your own copy of. But the good news for you is that you only have to do the first 3 pages for today. You tell me what book you're doing and who you are. Then this is your virtual bookmark. So just like the actual bookmark that classroom people are going to use, you're going to jot down your 5 words here, what the word is, what the page number is. And then also as you read, you're keeping track of your characters. So you might not even use every spot, but you meet your main character. It'd be important to write down their name and any observations you have about them. And that's all that you need so far, the first 3 slides. That's virtual people. If you're not virtual, which is most of you, on the front desk, you can see your vocab bookmarks, and you can also see your character chart. It looks exactly like the character chart in the slideshow that I just showed you. So you want to grab your bookmark, and you want to grab the character chart. And then you want to grab the book that you want to read. So most of you have already selected, and those books are also on the front table, including Element-OP, which is in PDF form. I printed it out though, so you can grab the printed copy of Element-OP up there. And then once you've set yourself up with your book, your bookmark, and your character chart, then you get to read for 25 minutes. And that's the entire middle part of class, is you getting into your book, finding your vocab, finding your characters. And I only have 30 seconds left, but that's good because I really only have one thing left to say. After the timer goes off, your reading time is over. The creative writing prompt, following up with the journal entry, is this. It's not opening, and I'm going to run out of time. It's this. So depending on what book you chose, look at your journal entry, do your 5 things, and write in the style of your book. And you want it to be half a page-ish, 300 words-ish. Okay, no time. Bye.